Okay, so Zoe and Amelia, we're going to learn the page problem, okay? So, everybody, have you ever read a book before? Of course, right? So all the books is having pages. And all the books starting with the page 1, right? So let's take a look at this one. A book has 256 pages,
I think
correct?
it starts on page 5.
Huh? What did you say?
I think it starts on page 5.
I don't understand.
Means counting like where the text, like the first page, it actually starts doing the story or something.
Okay. No, but all the books starting with page 1. Correct? Okay, so let's take a look at the first one. Okay, so a book has 256 pages. How many digits have been used to print the page numbers of the book? What does it mean? If you have a book with 10 pages, how many digits you use? You use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 digits, right? But for the page 10, how many digits you use? 2. Okay, so for the 10 pages, we have 9 plus 2 equals 11 pages. Okay, so for any pages with, for instance, if we say we have 15 pages. If we have 15 pages, we have 1 to 9, there are 9 digits. And 10 to 15, how many pages? 10 to 15, 1, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So there are 15 minus 10 plus 1. There are 6 pages, right? Correct? So every single page, they have 2 digits, so there are 12 digits. Understand, Zoe? So altogether, there are 9 plus 12 equals 21 digits. Correct, Amelia? Correct, Zoe? Okay, so now 256, how to do it. I want you to try to do yourself, and I'm going to help you. Amelia, 你在干嘛？
我做完了，我给你看我上题。
Okay. So Amelia finished, or Zoe, did you finish? So if you both of you finished, please send it to me by chat. I can take a look.
I did.
Okay. Where is my chatting thing? I cannot see that. Why cannot see it? Oh, here. Okay, so Amelia has sent it to me. Zoe's still working on that. Zoe, do you want more time? Yes. Okay, you want more time. Good.
I have 3 erasers.
Okay. So Zoe's still working on it. So Amelia, make sure you get it right, okay? Just check your answer, make sure they're right. Okay, so now I'm going to explain it, okay? So Zoe and Amelia, I don't know if you noticed that. When I'm doing those questions, I just to put them into the different categories. For instance, from 1 to 9, there's one category. And 10 to 99, they're another category. Why? Because they're one-digit number. These are two-digit number. And from 100 to 256, they're third category, correct? Okay, so let's take a look at 1 to 9. So 1 to 9, very easy. They're the 9 digits. Do we have any questions for that? Zoe? No. Okay, Amelia. From 10 to 99, how many numbers are there? We have learned it, right? From 10 to 99, they're like 99 minus 10 plus 1. They're all together 90 numbers. Correct, Zoe? Amelia? Okay, so every single number, they're like two digits. So 90 times 2 equals 180. Correct? Okay, so the third category is 100 to 256. So how many numbers? 157 numbers. So what do? We times 3 because every single digit, there are 3 numbers. So 471. So all we're going to do is plus 9 plus 180 plus 471. So the answer is 660. Am I calculated wrong or right? Or everything right? Get it, Amelia? Okay, take a look which part you're making mistakes. But Zoe, do you understand what I'm talking about right now? Okay, so those same questions can be made for a lot of them, right? So you can say a book has 300 pages. How many digits are used to print the page number of this book? Exactly the same thing. I just to change 256 to 300. Let me see how many of you. So if both of you can get it right and quick.
But we can't see the question.
Yeah, 第二题, 300 pages.
Oh.
Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So Amelia, I cannot see you. I don't know what's going on. Okay, so Zoe, the first category, 1 to 9, 9 digits. 10 to, because Zoe has sent me the answer. Amelia, I don't know what you're going, okay, what you're doing.
I'm
So the
almost
second
done.
one should be 90 times 2, the same thing, 180, right? So third one is 101 to 300. So it's 300 minus 101 plus 1. So the answer is 200 numbers. Times 3 equals 600. So the answer is 600 plus 180 plus 9. So the answer should be 789. Yeah. Zoe, which part you're making mistakes? I don't know.
Wait,
Oh,
why is
I
it
did
101?
100 to 300.
Oh, sorry. Oh, yeah, my mistakes. 100. Yeah, you're right. You're right. Sorry, Zoe. 792. Yeah, 792. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Get it? Amelia, what is your answer? Where's your answer?
Doing it.
Okay, so let's take a look at this one, okay? Let's take it number 3, okay? So the third question is different. They said there are 291 digits have been used to printing the page of the numbers of the book. How many pages of the book they're having? So this is the opposite way, right? So we're learning it that way, and now we're finding out how many pages. So think about it, and we can do it. Okay, so I have received Amelia's and have received Zoe's. Okay, Amelia, could you please explain it to me? How did you get the answer 133?
I just saw it before.
You saw before? What does it mean? You see the answer? Yeah, so you send it to me. So why you send it to me? It's cheating, right?
I actually did it.
Okay, Zoe, can you tell me how to do it? So
So
Amelia, you might
this,
listen to it very carefully, okay?
I don't think mine is the proper way to do it. I have a weird way of logic. So
Okay, no
basically,
problem.
what I thought was the 1 to 9 and 10 to 99 added together is 189. So that means it has to be 99 pages.
Something bigger than 100, yeah.
Yeah. So
Because
I thought,
from 1 to 9, there are 9 digits, right?
yep. And
And from 10 to 99, it's 180 digits. Get it, Amelia? Very good. You're good. Okay, Zoe. So it's because 291 is bigger than 189, so it's must a 3-digit pages. It's must 100 something, correct?
yeah.
Okay, so yeah, tell me. So what's next?
So since it has to be, the pages have to be times by 3 to be the digits, I thought
Mm.
to like find 291 to minus 189 divided by 3.
Okay, 291 minus 189. Very good. How many more, right? So the
Yep,
answer is
that's
102.
102 and then divided by 3, which
Mm-hmm.
is 34. And
Very
then
good.
since 1 to 99, there's already 99 pages in it. 99 plus 34 is 133 pages.
Mm-hmm. So if you do, so there are plus 34 pages, right? So it's 133 because 133 minus 100 plus 1 equals 34 pages. So that's why it is a book with 133 pages. Understand, Amelia? Yeah, you don't read the question, okay? You don't copy the answer because it's no use. Okay, so now let's take a look at this one. 3,401 digits are used to print the page number of the book. How many pages does the book have? Okay, so same question, but bigger number. Okay, Amelia has sent it to me the answer. Zoe's still waiting for the answer, so don't worry about it. Okay, Zoe, take your time. This time is a bigger number. Amelia, make sure you get it right. Okay, just to check your answer. Think about it. Like always think about the logic. What is the logic? Okay, so we have 3,401 digits this time.
I think I know where I made the mistake.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Okay, so 1 to 9, 9 digits, 10 to 99, 180 digits. So this time is 3,401 minus 189, right? So that the logic is the same. Like no matter how big the number is, we're just using the same techniques to do the question. So 2, 1, and 2, 3. Am I right?
So I think the first time I was right.
Huh?
I think the first time I was right because on the second one I did 100 to 999.
I
Yeah, 3,
tried
2, 1, 2.
to
Is it 3, 2, 1, 2?
100 to 999 is 2,700 digits.
Very good. Okay, so you're going to find out this one is not divisible by 3, right? It's not right, but think about it. 100 to 999 has how many digit? Is 900 times 3 equals 2,700. That means this is a book with what? 4-digit pages. 有几千页，对不对？It's going to the 4-digit. Okay, so now let's take a look at this one. We should using 3,212 minus 2,700. Get it? So the answer is 512. So use 512 and divide it by 4 equal
Is 100.
128. So that means from 1,000 to 1,127 is how many pages we have. So it's 1,127. Get it, Amelia? Get it, Zoe?
I
Very
got
good. Zoe, you
times
get it right.
3.
I got
Yeah.
it.
Okay, get it? Yeah. Okay, so now let's take a look at number 5. Okay, let's take a look at number 5. You know what? We can just do some practice. Let's don't move to the number 5 yet. Okay, so let's take a look at number 1. A book has 168 pages. How many did you use to page number book? Very easy. 168. I just want to review before you do it, okay? Okay, I have received Zoe's. How about you? Amelia, what are you doing? Huh?
I forgot how to do the page ones.
Okay, so I'm going to teach you again, okay? I want you to focus on it, okay? So the book has 168 pages. So 1 to 9 has how many pages? Zoe, sorry, Amelia?
9,
Yeah. And 10 to 99 has how many pages?
180.
180. So obviously this one is smaller than 99, right? So let's see. So if there's altogether 168, so I need to what? First minus the 9 digits of the first one, right? So it's 159. Correct? Okay, so, sorry. What I'm doing. Okay. So it's altogether 168, what I'm doing. Okay, so 168 is 100 to 168 has how many? I think it's 168 digits, what I'm doing. So it's 69 pages, correct? 69 pages of 3 digits, Amelia. So 69 times 3 equals 100 and, 207. So plus together, 9 plus 180 plus 207 equals 189 plus 207 equals 6. 所以你是不是也做错了呀？
对。
396个 digits. Do you understand right now, Amelia?
Oops.
Amelia, hello.
Yeah, I understand.
Okay, so if you understand, we're going to move on, okay, for the next one. A book has 250 pages. How many digits are in the print? Okay, same thing. Okay, so I'm going to just, Amelia, do you have a clue? Like, how do we start it, right? So we start this
1
200,
to 9.
1 to 9, very good. And 99 to, sorry,
Oh,
10 to 99, right?
oh.
Yeah? Okay, so 100 to 250, correct?
Okay.
So 1 to 9 has how many digits?
9.
Yeah, so 100 to, sorry, 10 to 99 has how many?
180.
Very good, 180. So 100 to 50 has how many digits?
151.
Because it's 250 minus 100 plus 1. You need to know how many numbers are there first, right? So it's 151. But 151 is how many number, but how many digits are there? Is 151 what?
Times 3.
Times 3, right? So it's 453.
453.
Okay, so 9 plus 180 plus 483. Sorry, 53. So equals 2, 4, 6. 642.
I made
Good
a
job,
mistake
Zoe.
of plus 151.
Hmm?
I got it wrong because I plus 151.
Yeah, 那151是数字啊，不是 digit 呀，要乘以3呀，对不对？所以做对了，对吗？Okay, Amelia, do you still remember how to do it? Okay, last question. Okay, last question. I'm going to change this one to 340. Okay, 340. So all of you did again. 所以做完了，很好，Amelia 也做完了，OK？所以说 I mean. Okay, let's take a look at this one. 1 to 9, 9 digits. 10 to 99, 180, right? Amelia, 100 to 340 is 241, but you need to times 3. So the answer is
723.
Sorry, 23. Yes. So 189 plus 723, 219. So 912. Very good. Both of you get it right.
Finally.
Okay, good job. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. A dictionary has 1,002 pages. How many digits are used to print the page number in this dictionary? OK，好了，所以已经做完了，我们再给阿米莉点时间啊。
Thank
哎，我
you.
又被蚊子咬了。Okay, so I'm going to start to explain this one. Okay, so Amelia, I am not sure like you finish or not. So again, this one is the
Okay, I'm
same,
gonna
right?
put it in the chat while you explain.
Okay, so 10 to 99, it's 180. It's actually 90 times 2. Let's do this one. But we have 1002 pages, right? So this time is 100 to 999 with 900 times 3, correct? Equals 2,700. Okay, so we have 1000 to 1002. So how many pages are there? 1, 2, 3. But this time we need to times 4. So it's 12 numbers. So altogether, 9 plus 180 plus 2,700 plus 12 equals 2901. Good job, Zoe. Very good. And Amelia, take a look. I think you make
I
me
forgot to do the 1,000 to 1,002, and I did 100 to 1,002.
Yeah, 你忘记了，是不是？Okay. Okay, so let's take a look at this one, okay? 300 digits are used to print the page number of a book. What is the last page number of the book? I have used 300 digits. Okay, I'm going to start to explain, okay? So Zoe, 1 to 9, we have used 9 digits, and 10 to 99, Amelia, I have used 180, right? So 300 minus 189 equals what? 111. I have 111 digits left, not being used, but 111 represent how many pages? 37 pages, right? So that means from 100 to 136, I have exactly 37 pages. So what is the last page number? 136. Okay, so Zoe, this is actually a different way of asking how many pages of this book. Correct? We don't have to really always asking you the same questions. Good job, Zoe. Very good. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. 672 digits are used to print the page number of a book. How many pages does the book have? Amelia 在做吗
I finished.
Okay. Please send it to me by chat, okay? And Zoe, I'm waiting for your answer.
I already sent it. The most recent one I sent you.
Okay, got it. Okay, so Zoe sent it to me, and because 那个跟你前面那个搞在一起了，我以为你没发。Okay, so altogether we have 672, correct? Amelia. So we know from 1 to 9, we use 9 digits. And 10 to 99, we have 180 digits. Okay, so how many digits are left? Is it 672 minus 189, right? Yeah, can you tell me what is the answer for minus?
It was 483.
Amelia, can you tell me the answer? So 700, because you're doing this question, 你在做这道题的时候，你肯定有算过这个东西，对不对？ So
I
672
didn't do the minus part.
啊，你不做忘，那我 Amelia 到现在我要问你啊，老师要问你啊，这个部分是什么意思啊？我们1到99已经用掉189个 digit，对不对？那为什么要把它分段讨论啊？因为每一段它是不一样的，对不对？那如果你直接用672去除以3，可不可以的？肯定不可以的，对不对？那你如果没有做这个，你已经错了。Okay, so Zoe, can you tell me the answer is what? 672 minus 189 equals what?
483.
483. So 483 divided by 3 equals what? Equals 161. Correct? Okay, so that means after 100 pages, I have another 161 pages. So it's what? 260. because 260 minus 100 plus 1 equals 161, correct? So what is
No,
our final
didn't
page?
do it that way.
Pardon me?
I didn't do it that way. I just 161 plus 99.
Yeah,
That's
it's
how
the
I
same thing, right? Yeah, okay. Correct, so it's 161. So that's why the final page is 260. Amelia, I need you to focus, okay? It's not that hard. We've been doing this practice for a lot of time already. Okay, so let's take a look at the final example. So 2,953 digits are used to print the page number of the dictionary. How many pages has this dictionary?
老师，我做完了。
再给 Amelia 1分钟时间，好吗？Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Okay, so 1 to 9, 9 digits, 10 to 99. Amelia, always the same thing, 180 digits, right? Why is 180? Because it's 9 times 2. Okay, so 100 to 999, there are 900 times 3 equals 2,700. So this one must be bigger than 4 digit. Okay, so 1,000 to where? Right, so it's 2,953 minus 2,700 minus 180 minus 9. Correct? So 2,953 minus 2,700 minus 180 minus 9 equals 64. So 64, we cannot divide by 3. We divide by 4 equals 16. So that means from 1,000 to 1,015, there are altogether 16 pages. So this book has 1,015 pages.
I didn't like times 3 for 900.
No, Amelia, I need you to follow my way. Okay? I have explained this question. This is my 8th time. 这第8次讲同样的题目了。Okay, if you don't understand, I want you to go back and look at the video. 要非常认真的看 video. Okay? So let's move forward to the number new questions. Okay? So how many times? Amelia, you need to start to think about it. 不要看答案，对不对？老师已经把答案弄起来了啊。Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So how many times does the digit 0 appear in 200-page book? 好了，0这个数字出现在 200页的书里面出现了几次？那我们还是一看，对不对？1 to 9, how many times they appeared? Zero.
9.
因为0到9没有零啊，对不对？OK，好，那我们来看10到99呢？Okay, let's just list them. So from 10 to 20. So 10 to 19, how many times? 1. 20 to 29, 1.
1.
30 to 39, 1.
1.
Okay, I'm going to stop here and you tell me from 10 to 99, how many zeros are there?
9.
10 to
9.
9 of them? Okay, because 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 zeros. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. From 100 to 200, how many of them are there? I'm going to start with 100 to 109. You tell me how many zeros are there? I'm going to stop here, let you count yourself. 自己想一想，从100到109有几个？How many of them there? Let's take a look at this one, okay? So 100 to 109 is different because if it is 10 to 19, there's only one. 但是别忘了，还有中间10位数的那个零，对不对？一共
That's
有
why I did it all over again.
9 plus 1, there are 10 of zeros has been used. Correct? 看一下有没有？
What about the other 0 at the ones place at the end of the 100?
Can you say it again? Zoe, I don't understand your question.
What about that 0?
Which 0?
Let me.
Yeah, so from 100 to 109, 对不对？100到109。So 0到9是不是只有一个啊？
I think there's 20 zeros from 100 to 109.
有20 zeros.
I counted 11.
OK，那我们来看到底谁是
100
对的好不好
100
？Yeah，
有2个，然后101到109有9个。
非常好。我们来看一下啊，那个 Zoe 说有11个，然后 Amelia 说有20个，我们来看一下，好不好？Yeah, so from 1 to 这边是不是只有一个？个位数是不是只有一个？
对，
对不对？10位数有几个啊？不要
10
忘了
个。
100还有一个，对，1、2，是不是从109减100要加1啊？不要忘了，所以是10个。Very good, thank you, Zoe.
11
So the answer is 11. Okay, Amelia, I'm kind of not very satisfied with your performance today, okay? Because if you don't, you tell me, I don't understand. I accept it because you don't understand this. Everybody is different, 对不对？有的时候你学的比较好，有的时候我学的比较好。但是从100到109到底有多少个零？You don't have to be smart. You can count. You list all of them, you count. Correct? I don't accept any student. You don't have to be smart to be my student, but you have to be focusing. If you don't focus, you're not trying your best, This is something I don't like. Understand? Okay, let's see. 110 to 119. How many zeros are there? 想一想，不要马上就直接去 list，对不对？ I said lazy is the best thing in this world because if you don't want to be lazy, you're gonna be the person who's doing everything everybody else is asking you to do, right? I don't want you to be somebody like that either.
$12.
啊，110到119有12啊。那 Amelia，我不懂啊，你把这个直接写下来，那你119有几个啦？110到119，你把它全部写出来，有几个零啊？
1.
那你从哪里来的？什么多少个？你说你有多少个？我都忘了，有多少个
Oh, I thought you said 100 to
？No, not you thought, Amelia. I heard enough thought. It's not your thought. You're thinking, right? 你要想啊，我问你了，110到119有多少个零？It's not something hard enough. It's not something hard at all. You tell me, how many of them are there?
1.
Very good. Okay, so Amelia, from 120 to 129, how many zeros are there?
1.
Very good. Zoe, 130 to 139, how many of them are there? Very good. Okay, so now I want you to tell me from 100 to 199, how many zeros are there? You tell me.
I think there's 20, 22.
First one is 11, right? Not what you think. You calculate it. You tell me.
Yeah, I calculated it.
So equals what?
I calculated to 22 zeros.
22 zeros. So it's
Yeah,
11
like-
plus 11. So let's see. So 110到119，对不对？那我们140到149，150到159，160到169。How many zeros are there? It's just a one，对吗？
对呀。
Okay, so 190到199. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
And then plus the 2 zeros from
No,
200.
the 200, we're not serious. My question is, listen to my question, okay? My question is 100 to 199. How many zeros? So it's 11 plus 9 equals 20. Yeah, this is something. And 200, we have how many? 2. So plus all together, Zoe and Amelia, 9 plus 20 plus 2 equals what? Equals 31 zeros.
30.
31 zeros. Understood? Understand, Amelia? Okay, so let's take a look at number 6, okay? A book has one, 不用看答案的啊 看了也没有用，对不对？自己也不会做的，到时候要重新来。A book has 145 pages. How many times does digit 1 appears in the page number of the book? This time we're doing. still, okay, we put them into the separate page. So 1 to 9, right? How many ones are there? And 10 to 139. Sorry. 10 to 99. And 100 to 149. What I'm doing, 45.
For 1 to 9, it's 1, and 10 to 99, it's 9, and 100 to 140.
Okay, so Amelia, don't be too rushed, okay? I agree with you. 1 to 9, there's only one ones there, but 10 to 99, I highly doubt it. You're right. Think about it. You're not only think about the tens digit, you're thinking about the ones digit as well.
Are there 18 for 10 to 99?
Okay, so Zoe and Amelia, let's take a look at this one. So how many digit 1 has been used from 10 to 99? We can just do 10 to 19. Can we do just a one set by sets? Right? So from 1 to 19, sorry, 10 to 19, how many ones are there? We first think about the 10th digit. 对不对？十位数，十位数有多少次一啊
9.
？10 of them.
10.
10 of them because 10 to 19, they're like how many numbers are there? 10 numbers. 每一个 number 都有一个一啊，对不对？但是别忘了，个位数还有一个一呢。11这个数字是不是有两个一啊？Okay, so that's why from 10 to 19, there's 11. But 20 to 29, there's only one. 对不对？30 to 39, there's only one. 那 how many ones are there? 2到90一共有8个 nine， 8个 one， 对不对？Correct. So it's 11 plus 8 equals 19 of them. Am I right, Zoe? Am I right, Amelia? Okay, so now let's take a look at the 100 to 145. So let's see, 100 to 109, how many are there? First of all, we think about the hundredths place. How many ones are there? 10, right?
And there's
Second,
also
we
one
think
more.
about it, the tenth place, how many of them? 1. And last, we think about the ones digit, we have 1. So it's 12 of them. Then we think about 110 to 119. Still 10, and this one is 10 plus 10 plus 1. Correct? Because 100每次都用了，这10位也是每次都用啊，所以是21个。Correct, Zoe? So
Wait, why
100.
are there 10, wow,
Huh?
12 and 100 to 100 to 9? Isn't
Pardon
there
me, I
one?
cannot hear you. Can you say it again?
Oh, isn't there like, isn't it supposed to be 11 here?
Why it is 11? So from 100 to 109, how many ones are there? Oh, sorry. Yeah. Here, there's no. Yeah. There's 11. 这个零没有一，对吧？对，我看错了，sorry. Is it 11? Good job. Okay, so 110 to 119, is it 21? Amelia?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so 120, 129, how many ones are there, Zoe?
I counted 11.
Because
129
it's 10 plus
plus 1.
1. Very good. 11, right? And 130 to 139 is how many?
11.
11 as well. And 140 to 145, how many of them are there?
11.
11 as well. So right now it's
No, wait,
1 plus
isn't
19.
it 6? Something like that? 140 to 145?
It's 11. Oh, 5.
It's
Sorry. Yeah, there's no 11. Amelia, how many of them are there? Because we're not 149, we're 145. So how many of them are there?
6.
6 plus. How about you just list them? 140, 141, 142, 143, 144, 145. How many of them are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct? Okay. So if you are very confused, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and did you forget this one? Amelia? The ones digit one, right? It's 7. Okay, so altogether 1 plus 19 plus 11 plus 21 plus 11 plus 11 plus 7. Get it, Zoe? Get it, Amelia? Are we clear here? Okay. So let's take a look at this one. Okay, so we're going to practice this one. Okay,
Wait, it
how many
showed
times?
81 as the how many times for digit 1 appear at the answer solution thing.
Not Yeah. So let's take a look at number 7. Zoe, it's not every single question there, right? So let's take a look at this one. How many times did the digit 2 appears in the book that is 150 pages thick? Amelia, 你要开始做啊？
Yeah, I'm doing.
Yeah. So let's take a look at this one. So 1 to 9, how many digits are there? So
1,
10 to 99, how many digits 2 are there? And
11.
100 to 150. Okay, so just a one step by step. Okay, so Amelia, can you tell me how many twos appeared from 1 to 9 there?
1. One.
Hi, Zoe? Good job. Okay, Amelia. So let's take a look at this one. 10 to 99, how many twos are there?
10.
10 to 99. So 10 to 99. Amelia said they're like 10 together. Let's see if Amelia is right or
I
not.
think it's 19.
Okay, so Zoe think it's 10. It's 19.
I
Okay,
think it's
so one of them
19.
is 10. So one of them said is 10. The other one said is 19. Okay. So let's take a look at this one. So 10 to 19, how many of them are there, Amelia? Still one, correct? Okay, so 20 to 29, how many twos are there?
11.
啊，那你自己都知道这里 11了，那这边已经12了，那你怎么会告诉我只有 10呢？什么叫这我不太懂啊！这老师我今天上课上的状态都不好了，好多题我都在瞎做了，我都疯了。你已经第一个10到19已经有一个2了，20到29有11个，对不对？Zoe 对不对？阿米娅对不对的？对的，对不对？好了，然后他告诉我一共10个，那你只做了2个，已经有12个了，怎么可能一共10个呢？对不对啦？那30到39呢？是不是一个？40到49是不是也是一个？那一共有几个呀，阿米莉亚？你告诉老师啊。
19。
OK，好了，那我们再来看100到109有几个？一个，对不对？
一个。
对呀，那110到119呢，也是一
一
个，对不对？
个。
那120到129有几个啊？
11。
11个。
一个，对，120到129和20到29是不是一样的啊？Because they don't have any hundred place thing, right? So 130 to 139, that's the same. 一个140到149怎么一个150有没有关系啊？没有关系。We don't even have to touch it. So plus altogether equals how many twos are there? Clear enough? Okay, so Amelia，我跟你说啊，今天我们上的很慢的，对不对？所以今天这个速度可以吧？对不对？那老师 make sure you understand every single one。可是如果有题目还是不会做的话，回去要重新看看录像，好不好？要很认真的看录像，OK? So that's it for today's class. We're gonna see each other next week. But next week we're back to Monday，好不好？OK，今天 Amelia 没有好好做，可能是因为刚刚打完 hockey，然后脑子都还在身体在对抗当中，有没有可能？OK，好，加油，好吗？
所以明天没有课，对不对？
对，明天没有课，好吗？OK，拜拜。
拜拜。